Check, check, check.
I'm an apricot and that's okay.
Intro for musicality.
Sorry. Hi guys!
Thanks for joining us for this video.
Welcome back to our Dirty Dancing video series. In this video, we're going to be going over the musicality and timing of the next section of the choreography. If you want to know how to execute any of these moves with your partner, feel free to check out our instructional video on the same section. Otherwise, have a look at our earlier videos to get all caught up. Let's get into it. Now let's have a look at the musicality for this section. So at the end of the previous section, we're kind of pressed up against our partner and doing that close dancing part. When the singer says, "and I," after she says "I," we're going to turn and walk away from our partner. So "and I," and then walk, take 3 steps and come on back. And then as we reach our partner, we're going to be listening for the beat because we're going to get back on that salsa timing. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock, step, and hold.
Thanks for joining us, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content by Green Bay Ballroom. If you want to check out the details of how to execute these moves with your partner, please check out our instructional video on the same section. Otherwise, have a look at our earlier videos to get all caught up. We hope to see you there. Bye!
Bye!